Let's do a pump together. I'm gonna be trying for the first time the Lancino 3.0. Pushing this pump to the side for a while, and that is only because I don't know how I'm gonna react to this pump. Of course, I'm gonna be inserting my pump and pouch. What I really like about this motor is how small it is, and you can actually bring this motor with you on the go. I think mine is charged right now, so I'm gonna have to plug it in. The only thing about it is that it is pretty loud, but I don't mind loud pumps. Crossing my fingers that it actually works, and let's see how many ounces I get. 10 minutes of pumping with my Lancino, it's definitely a no-no for me. Even with my pump and pouch, I don't get any letdowns, no reaction to it. I went all the way to level 8 and the suction is not that strong for me. The pump itself does start off at letdown mode, and then automatically at 2 minutes it changes to expression mode. And this is the pump itself, how it sounds. If you love this pump, let me know. For me, for the Lancino 3.0, I'm sorry if you like it, but the suction is not that strong for me and it didn't work. Usually when I use a Spectra, by like 10 minutes I'm already halfway empty and nothing here.